Hi all, welcome to Knowledgeists. In this edition, I will be telling you how to use our application, the Android application, the Knowledgeists application. Okay, and after this, I will also be telling you how to use it smoothly, seamlessly in your mobile browser or Google Chrome or your desktop browser or laptop browser for that matter. We have not yet launched in iOS, but you can use it seamlessly in your browsers, even in mobile browsers. It works as it is, as conveniently as an application, right? So here, once you open the Play Store, you can type Knowledgeist or Knowledgeists. So this is the first, this is the K, this is the first hashtag K, this is our logo. This one is the application that we are talking about, our Knowledgeists app. Okay, the first two were the advertisements, hence the first one that comes with K logo is our application. Okay, so here you can open it, and those who are doing it are requested to provide a very good rating. We have yet received 4.9 ratings, so if you like it, definitely, if the contents are useful for you, then definitely you can use the like button. Okay, so once you open the application, here you can find some basic info to start it. So if you are a first time user, you have to register with your phone number and a password of your own. You can choose your own password, or you can go to register. Okay, in register, here if you are using for the first time, then you will get the free and limited access. Post your enrollment. The enrollment link to the crash course to the application is given in the description. And if this is being sponsored by your bank or your union, this course, as many banks and unions are sponsoring this app, our application, our lecture for their internal promotion training, we will open that batch for limited period of time, and as it is mentioned by your concerned team, the keyword that is to be used along with your name to get identified as you belong to that particular bank. Okay, so you can use that one. It will be helpful for us to register you. Okay, but all the new users can use this free limited access, and once you use this free limited access, you will be in few minutes or in few hours, you will be given an SMS to upgrade. Once you click on upgrade, once you do this registration process, all the study materials will be available to you. And the new users of concerned banks, those who are provided this entire course, entire syllabus, entire lecture and study materials by their respective bank and respective unions, they can use their catchwords, their keywords given to them for registration in free and limited access, and later they can be changed, they can be shifted to their batch, to their respective batch. Okay, so after registration is done, you will be receiving the username, password. Username is always your phone number, and a unique password you will be receiving in your registered mobile number within few minutes of your registration. If it is not received, you can contact the admin, you can contact us as well. Then or you can log in via OTP using your own mobile number. So once your credentials are verified, you can check with the login button, and here it is. Okay, so this is with the name of my girl. So you can, here it will show your name. So whenever we will start our live lectures, you can click here, live, in front of the dashboard it is written live lectures. The live lectures, live classes, whenever it will start, there will be a notification here, or when you are notified, you can click on the live lecture. You will also get messages of live lecture and notification, app notification, whenever we start a live lecture of your concerned batch. Okay, so here there are some recently added contents. You can scroll it down horizontally, and if you click on show all button, all your contents that is available to your batch, which is given to your which is provided to your concerned batch, you can find it out. Okay, so there are few lectures available in credit management, mock session, banking law and practices, JIIB, risk management, etc. And this is the video library. Once you check here, it is the content library. Things are there updated in PDF format of various exams. If you are preparing for concerned interview exams, it is there in the interview questions, and whatever is allocated to your batch, you can see it. Those who are using it free, they cannot access anything except few quiz, so it is advisable to upgrade to the full version. And we are rich with content. We are creating more and more number of contents, and those who are using on behalf of their bank, we have tie off with various promotional exams, so you can use this resource even when I am not attending the live lectures. You can also use this platform for your own preparation. Okay, or else you can go to this link profile. Here you can come down, see my content which is allocated to you. You can find it out again. Okay, so this is almost it, and we will be adding many things in coming days. So this practice button is not of use. This messages you can send us your doubts. Here you can send us your doubts and it will be clarified. Okay, so this is the marketplace where you can if you have already purchased, if you have already enrolled to the free version, here you can go to the marketplace near the dashboard and you can purchase the full course of Knowledgeists. Okay, so you can find it out. It will be updated in few days, or you can use the app link, the link in the description, to enroll to the full batch. Okay, so let's move to the browser section. This is the link that you can use in your mobile browsers, that is knowledgeists.in. Once you have done it, you can start with enroll now if you are using it for the first time. If you are an iOS user, you can enroll here. Then you can go to the login. If you are looking for the registration button, if you are looking for the full course registration button, this pay now button is there. It will charge you only 999. Those who are new to this edition, those who are not sponsored by their union or their bank, they can use it and you will be getting full syllabus. Once you do it, here are some the advertisement and how to enroll, etc. It is mentioned there. If you are already enrolled, you can go to the login button. You can start with your username and password. Username is always the mobile number that you have used for the first time to register. If you are having trouble in logging in, you can use this button called login via OTP. Otherwise, the password that is given to you, you can use it. You can save it for further use. Now this dashboard is open. What you can do is you have to go to the three dots here. You can find two things for your help. One is content, that is these are the contents that is available to this batch. Okay, so banking laws, credit management, banking quiz, risk management, RBI circulars, Indian economy, JIIB folders, interview questions for the aspirants of various exams, and the video lessons are there, video lectures are there. Till now we have updated credit management, mock interviews, banking laws and practice, JIIB and risk management. Rest is being uploaded. We have already completed the creation of so many study materials that is going to be uploaded by backend within few weeks. Okay, now let me take you to the desktop site, how you can use it there. To use our internet browser link, that is the desktop and for the laptops, you have to type knowledgeists.in. okay, so here it is our logo. If you are using it for the first time in desktops, you can use enroll now button, then you can, or after enrollment you can go to login. If you have already logged in, then if you have already registered, then directly use login button. okay, so after this you can start using your course. If it is already paid, if it is already registered, enrolled, if you have already enrolled, then you can use it. If it is not sponsored by your bank or union, or you have not paid for it, you can go and pay here. okay, it is in the site. Before login you can find it out. Let's go and log in it. Let's check it how to do this. Just a second. I have to click on the captcha. If you are having trouble in logging in, then login by OTP, or by clicking on login button. If you have not registered, you can click here. The register button is here. okay, so what it says, maximum login limit reached. Why it is saying so? We have used this in our mobile application. So what I can do for you is that we can reset the limit, because one can use it in one device. okay, so you have to check it out where you want to use our application. Either if you are free to use the same in your mobile browser, use there, or if you want to use it in your Android application, use it. Don't unnecessarily use it in multiple devices. It will not work. okay, so it will not work. Just a second, let me reset the same for this device. okay, it is generally done for the devices, but let me do it. It stands rectified. You can click on the login button. You can use in only one button. okay, so here you can find everything. You can go to the content section to explore the PDFs, these banking laws, etc. There are so many documents. You can find out whichever you want to start reading. You can start it. okay, and or you can go to the video lesson. You can open any video of your choice and you can start taking the lessons. okay, see the banking class, banking and economy, so you can use it. So this is it. Hope you are enjoying it. We will be adding more experience, more segments to this app very soon. We are in a development stage. We are trying hard to make it more and more and more user friendly. So the more you will join, the more benefits you will be getting. All of you will be getting it. Thank you, friends. And the link for joining in is there in the description. You can enroll to the crash course. Once you enrolled, there is no time limit. You can use it. okay, so thank you, friends.